Welcome to my channel Guides to Everything. GTBank USSD Codes, *737#. GTBank USSD codes for various transactions are as follow. Account opening is 7370#. Airtime top-up for others is 737 amount * recipient's number #. Airtime top-up for self is 737 amount #. Check account number / check balance / BVN is 7376*1#. Create PIN is 7375#. Data top-up is 7374#. Make Enquires is 7376#. Reactivate Account is 73711#. Transfer to GTBank account is 7371 * amount * NUBAN account number #. Transfer to other banks is 7372 * amount * NUBAN account number #. If you have any questions, do not forget to use the comments button to ask your questions. Click the red button below this video to subscribe to our channel and do not forget to share this video with family and friends. Thanks for watching.